Hi, it's just right that I call her Sonal. I know Sonal way before I did her course. And we met at the organization, a children's charity organization called Shishikunj. And so hence the way I call her Sonal, which is a sister. But when I met her, I was mesmerized by her energy, her way of looking at life. But I never knew that this confidence I have built now will come by doing one of her courses. So when I did her course, it was just, I was umming and ahhing, thinking, I am singing on the stage, I can do public speaking, no problem, with confidence. When I did get a chance to do it, I had to let go because I couldn't bring courage enough to do so. And when this course came up, I realized, yeah, this is something for me. So I went along and did the course. And wow, was it an eye-opener. It was totally different. It was nothing what I have done before. And I have done many courses. It was interactive. It was not like, oh, there's a teacher there and standing in front of you and telling you what to do. It was interactive. It was a lot more different, going deeper into yourself, knowing yourself, talking to other people, knowing what their views are, how they see you, how you see yourself, where this confidence is coming from. And now I cannot just stand up in public and speak, but I'm about to launch my own course. And that is after doing this particular, the confidence building public speaking course with Sonal. Sonal, you did change my life, really. I'm not just saying it because I know you. I'm saying it because I strongly believe that those who will do it would never look at doing something, standing up in front of people and speaking, a fear thing to do. And not just that, it changed my life around the house, the way I spoke to my children, the way I spoke to my in-laws, the way I spoke to my husband, the way I speak to everyone now. It has changed it. It has really made a difference because I have become confident in what I am saying. And that only came after doing the course. So I very, very, very highly recommend doing this course because it's not just about knowing the confidence and talking and getting away from the fear of speaking in public, but it is about knowing you, who you are, why you want to do it. It's knowing deeper self, knowing your personal self. She teaches you, or not teaches you is not the right word. She takes you on a journey of learning about yourself. And hence this course is very different to everyday course. So I hope you enjoy when you join this course and you do it to build yourself, to know yourself, to get the journey on a ladder which will take you on a completely different journey and different path of your life, which you may not have otherwise known. So, enjoy it. Love and light. Namaste.